this is Aisha of Decor Designs by Aisha, and welcome back. Today makes day 2 of my DIY Fall Wedding Series 2021. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a wedding bouquet. So for all the brides out there, this is a great video for you who will be having fall weddings, a great DIY for you to do for yourself to make for your wedding. All right, we all know that weddings can get expensive, so why not DIY your own wedding bouquet? Right here in this section, I'm going to leave my DIY Fall Wedding Series playlist so that you can go back and check it out if you did not see my previous video. All right, and I'm going to also leave some other videos and some other playlists there for you to check out. All right, so also I'm going to be leaving a picture of my bouquet in the video so that you can see my wedding bouquet when I got married, and also I am going to be showing you my bridesmaids bouquet. So when I got married, I had roses as my bouquet, and I had for my bridesmaid they had calla lilies. Remember I told you I love calla lilies and I also love roses. So I'm going to be showing you those pictures. All right, so I hope that you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Decor Designs by Aisha channel. So I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all next Tuesday. Remember, I upload videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday in the month of October. All right, have an amazing day, and I will see you later. All right, everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to make a wedding bouquet, and I'm going to be using these beautiful blue calla lilies, and all I'm going to do is just going to take them and just put them, you take your hand and just put your flowers, whatever flowers you decide to use, and these are faux flowers, which is fake flowers. All right, you just take them and just slide them into your fingers like so. All right, so this is your bouquet, so you can just, you can decorate it. You can create it however you want, but right now I'm going to do mine like this, and I'm going to do it in a circle because I'm going to be adding more flowers to it. So I'm just going to take it like so, and just take it and just add it directly into my fingers, just like this. All right, slide it down in there, just like that, until I'm making a, you see I'm making a circle. Okay, and I have 20 of these, so I'm going to use all of them. All right, just like so. And you just continue to add them in your fingers. All right, and you also need some floral tape, and I just got this from the Dollar Tree. And you're gonna also need some ribbon. I'm using this beautiful like a purplish ribbon. I actually looking for burgundy, but I couldn't find the burgundy, so I just got this. It's kind of close to it, so I'm going to be using this. All right, so just keep adding your flowers, just like so. All right. All right, and just keep adding and just, creating it the way you like. All right. All right, so this is the last one. All I'm going to do is just take it and just kind of tuck it away. Find an area in here that you can pretty much put it. All right, and see, that's how it looks so far. All right, it's in a circle. So now I'm going to add some different colors to it. I think I'm going to add some burgundy, some blush, just different flowers to make it, give it that beautiful look. Now you can leave it like this, of course not with the circle, but you can fold it up and you can leave it just like that. Let me start adding some more flowers. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it and I'm going to just place these peach flowers just directly in here, just like so. You see how that looks? All right, and I think I'm going to add one more over in this area here. And this is blush. I think I said peach, but it's a blush color. Just add one more over in there. Just make it all cute. Okay. And I absolutely love this. Like I said, you can do it any way you like because we all have different tastes. And we all have different styles, so it's completely up to you. All right, but I'm just showing you how you can make your own bouquet. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the flowers like this. As you see, it is gorgeous. I love it. All right, so you continue to hold it just like so. All right, so you're gonna also need a glue gun with glue sticks. And like I said, I'm gonna use this ribbon, and like I said, it's like a purplish color. So just, you know, this is a beautiful color that you can use with the blue and the blush also, but the main color I was trying to go for was the burgundy. All right, but I'm going to show you how to wrap it with this beautiful ribbon. All right, so first you need to put a little glue on this part of your ribbon. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glue gun and just place it right along this area here. Okay. All right, so you're gonna have to hold it with your hand and just cut it. So I'm just gonna cut it about right here. These scissors are pretty sharp, so I'm able to do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my hot glue, and see, I have this hot glue gun is really, really hot. It's a Ryobi. So you may want to get one of the ones that are not too hot. I purchased one from the Dollar Tree. So the Dollar Tree have glue guns, you know, that's very budget friendly. Dollar Tree is only $1. So you just take the glue gun, the glue, and you just put it right here in this area. And you don't have to put a whole lot. Just make sure that you have enough that it covers your ribbon. Okay, you just take it. Let's see, I think I put a little too much here. Okay, so you just take it and just fold it over just like so. All right, and make sure you cut all the edges off because you don't want that on there. All right, so cut all that off, and I'm just going to take it and trim this. You see that little frizz there? Just take it and kind of trim that off because you don't want that. All right, you can make it cute. You can decorate it how you want. All right, so let me show you how it looks so far. Okay, and you can make that look totally different, totally better than, you can decorate this completely how you want to, but this is just to show you how to make your own bouquet. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it and just fluff it out a little bit. Okay, just make it your own because this is your bouquet. All right, so you just fluff it out, make it your own. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some beautiful brooches, all right here, and all I'm going to do is add it here. And I purchased these from Totally Dazzle, and all I did was just put it in a plastic bag. But I'm going to choose one of these that I want to go on here. And I have some, this one has the little pin on the back. And I also have some that do not have a pin on the back. All right, it's just a flat back where you have to put glue or whatever you can put on there to attach it to your, you know, your bouquet. All right, but I'm going to use the one with the, you know, the little pin on the back. Therefore, I won't have to use the glue. So all I'm going to do is take it, all right, and just take it and just place it in one of these little areas, just like so. Okay. And just put it on here, all right. And that's how it looks. I think this is gorgeous. All right, so let me show you another way that you can do it with a different color. All right, everyone, so I decorated this and I thought this was gorgeous for a fall outdoor wedding. And all I did was add some of the beautiful little leaves here. I have some lamb's ear that I've been had. I put some lamb's ear here. I also have this yellow beautiful plant, all right, and just different plants that I added in here for the different colors and just give it that pop of yellow like you see during the fall season. And you know, I think this would be great for a fall outdoor wedding. All right, so I wanted to show you this. This is another option that you can do. And of course, you can make it your own. You can make it fuller. You can make it not so full, however you want to do it. All right, so these are two other options that I have put together. This one is purple, and it's a beautiful purple flower. And all I did was just add the purple ribbon that I showed you that I had around the handle part that you hold. And this is, to me, it's a beautiful option, you know, for your wedding color, depending on your wedding colors. And here's another one that I put together, and I just added these beautiful fall hydrangeas on each side. And I put the beautiful burgundy, I think they're roses, in the middle. And I put the blush flowers on each side. All right. So I hope that you all have enjoyed these 3 different bridal bouquet options. And this just shows you how you can make your own bridal bouquet in any color that you want that matches with your wedding colors, of course. And of course, it is a budget-friendly option for you, because I'm using faux flowers, which is fake flowers. And to use the real flowers would be a little bit more. And when me and my husband got married, we didn't have a big budget, but everything turned out beautiful. And so I have enjoyed these 4 bridal bouquet options that I have showed you. And like I said before, you can make these your own. You can use whatever colors you want to use. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all on my next video.